Creator Studio is a Facebook free dashboard that social media marketers and content creators in general use to manage their pages on Facebook and Instagram account. It's a nice tool because it brings together social media analytics, and you can schedule your post with it, and you can as well monitor community engagement of your social handles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Creator Studio app on your mobile phone. So guys, let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do on your phone is to download Creator Studio app, and you can do that by going to Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, and for iPhone users you can check the app on App Store, then search Creator Studio. Then on your results here, you need to tap on this one from Meta platforms, then download and install it on your phone. The process should take a few minutes to complete. Once the download and installation process is complete, just go ahead and open your Creator Studio app. If you are already logged into your Facebook account, now you can continue as your Facebook profile name or log in to another Facebook account. So I just tap on continue as Patrick Omondi because that is my correct profile account I'm going to use. So once you're logged into your Creator Studio, if you manage more than one Facebook page, they will be listed on your screen here. Now it's up to you to choose which page you want to view. So on my list here, I think I'll select this one right here. Then you'll be taken directly to your Creator Studio page. On your home page here, you will see how your page is performing in the past 7 days versus previous 7 days. Now in terms of minute viewed to net followers, as you can see on my screen here, right now when you scroll down here, you will see your recent post. To create a new post, in the top right hand corner of your screen, just tap on this icon. Then on these options, you can choose what you want to post. We have video, photo, and live stream options. Now once you get that right, let's go below my screen. Then after home, you need to tap on this icon right here, is the second icon, and you'll be directed to all posts you have on your page. They have been categorized into 3. So we have a published. These ones are the posts that are live on your page. Then we have scheduled category, and these are the posts you have set to be posted after a certain time. They can be a video or photo still. Then the last one is draft, right? Next button below your screen is for insights. So you need to tap on this button right here. When you tap on it, by default it will start with insights of the last 7 days. So if you tap on this calendar here, you can choose a different time frame from this list. We have today up to the last 90 days. So choose the date you want to view insights on your page. So when you scroll down, you will see your page performance summary over the period of time you have selected. So if you go down a bit, you will be shown insights of how long people are watching your videos. The next button below your screen again is the fourth one here. When you tap on it, it will send you to your inbox. So where you will see your chats or messages between you and your fans or followers. Next tab under inbox here is comments. When you type here, you will see all comments you have on your page, right? And lastly, we have notification button below your screen. When you open it, you will be able to see all notification your pages gets, right? So that's all I can share with you about a Creator Studio. This is the simplest method or simplest insight I've given you guys. That's how you can use Creator Studio app on your mobile. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.